Hello students, I am back again with a new video lecture, and today we will focus on vocabulary. Yes friends, a very important topic in English for all the competitive exams, and we will be doing some synonyms. Yes friends, what are synonyms? Yes, you guessed it right. Synonyms are words having the same meanings. So let's start the words for today. We take up the first word, abandon. Abandon means to leave, to forsake. In Hindi it is called as त्याग करना. The second word, able. Very easy word, meaning capable or competent. Abolish. The synonyms for abolish, eliminate, end, terminate. So these are a few synonyms for the word abolish. There are many more words also possible. The list I have taken a few words only, but many more words are also possible. The next word, abridged. Abridged means condensed, shortened, compressed. So these are a few meanings of abridged. Absolute, perfect, conclusive, unalterable, जिसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, that is absolute. Abstain, a nice word. Abstain means to avoid, to forego or to refrain, stay away from it, that is abstain. Absurd, foolish, ridiculous, silly. There are many more terms for it. Cranky, nincompoop, a very nice word for absurd, silly, stupid, nincompoop. Yes, you can add these words in your dictionary as well. Abundant, plentiful. There are abundant of English words which you have to learn. Plentiful, ample, copious, bounteous. Next few words, access means the approach, the passage, rasta. Accomplish, achieve, attain, realize. I have accomplished my task. Accumulate means to collect, amass, hoard, jama karna. Now friends, when you learn words, it's very easy to learn words, but words are like gas filled balloons, and if you just keep a gas filled balloon inside a room with a door open, you don't tie the balloon, next day when you come, the balloon will have flown away from there. But when you tie that gas filled balloon with a thread to a window, and even though you leave the window open, next day when you come, the balloon will be there itself. Maybe the gas may have reduced, diminished a bit, but the balloon will be there. So learning new words is same as gas filled balloons, and tying the thread to the gas filled balloon is like tying the new word which you learn in a sentence. So whatever words you learn, to retain the words, you will have to use those words in your own sentences. This is the way you can enhance or enrich your vocabulary. Moving on ahead, and this is the way you can accumulate more words, and your answers will always be correct. The meaning of the word accurate is correct and precise. Acknowledge. Acknowledge means to admit, to concede, to accept. These are a few words for acknowledge. Next word, acquire. Acquire means to gain, to procure, to receive. Prapt karna is acquire. Adept. Adept is proficient, skilled. Synonyms for adept. Don't get confused with the word ADAPT. That is to adjust ourselves, to acclimatize. That word is different. This is ADEPT. Take care on the spelling also. Adequate, sufficient, enough are a few words for adequate. Adhere, stick, follow, cling, that is adhere, understand. Admiration, some nice words, praise, approbation, tarif is Hindi word. Some more English word, esteem. Yes, so these are the words, synonyms for admiration. Adverse, unfavorable. Detrimental, a nice word, hostile. So keep a check on these words. Enhance and enrich your words on a regular basis, and this will help you a lot, not only in your exam but for the rest of your life. Affluent is wealthy, rich, prosperous. Next word, aggravate. It is not aggregate, it is aggravate. Aggravate means to intensify, to worsen, to heighten, to increase something, that is aggravate. Alliance is agreement, treaty. Moving on to the next word, amiable. Amiable, I have taken a few nice words. Lovable is a common word. Charming, friendly, pleasant. Congenial. Congenial means amiable. And one more word, gracious or graceful. Amicable, peaceful or friendly. So difference between amiable and amicable is, this is lovable and this is friendly. Anticipate, expect, to foresee or to predict. Few words for anticipate. Applaud, praise, acclaim, compliment are the synonyms for the word applaud. Authentic, real, true. Awkward, clumsy, odd. Some more words, blame, to accuse, to charge. It's not that electric charge or charge your mobile, usse charge nahi. This is charge, blame karna. Brisk, lively, agile, quick are the synonyms for brisk. Callous, callous, a few words, hard, unsympathetic or insensitive. Candid, nice word, you can expect in the exams many a times. Truthful, frank, honest, sincere. These are a few words for the term candid. Cold, frigid, indifferent. Cogent is forceful. Compassion, pity, sympathy, tenderness, kindliness or kindness. Words for compassion. Common term, pity, daya. Compatible, agreeing or cooperative. Complex, complicated, intricate. One more word, naughty, K-N-O-T-T-Y, not Gatila, K-N-O-T-T-Y again is a synonym for complex. Compliment, praise, acclaim, commendation. And then comply, follow, conform or fulfill. Some more set of words very quickly. Comprehensive, thorough, extensive. Conceal, conceal is hide. Camouflage, mask, disguise. Some nice terms for conceal, that is hide. Conceited is arrogant, vain, vain is proud. Snobbish, haughty. So these are a few terms for the word conceit or conceited. Concise, so don't get confused with such words. Conceited is something different and concise means in short, brief, condensed or compact, that is concise. In short, condemn, denounce, criticize is a synonym for condemn. Rebuke, accuse. Remember these words, friends. Now condone. Condone means to pardon. Hindi maaf kar dena. Forgive, to approve. Next, confer. Confer, discuss, consult or deliberate. Confusion, easy word, disorder, or a nice word, disarray. Disarray means confusion. Conspicuous, that is noticeable. Commanding, bodacious, a new term maybe for many students. Bodacious means conspicuous, that is noticeable, जो नजर आ सके. Contempt, dislike is an easy word. Other terms, scorn, hatred, disgust, distaste. Few words for contempt. So we will just see that there are many words having the same meaning, and there are no shortcuts, friends, to learn these things. You have to practice, practice and practice. Contradict, refute, challenge, oppose, disapprove are some words for contradict. Conversant, acquainted, familiar, versed or well versed, that is acquainted, meaning conversant. So, I am trying to make you conversant with some English words to enrich your vocabulary. So, try to use the new words in sentences and you will be able to retain the meaning of the words always. So, friends, this is all for today. There are many more words, and in the next video we will just come up with some more words to enrich your vocabulary. Till then, practice these new words, use them in sentences, keep learning, enjoy learning, and all the best, and thank you all.